Can you believe I've done this typical gel polish design with the dip powder system only in a few minutes? It's never easy to make some delicate gel polish level design with dip. Save and add this tutorial to your album. Let's get started on your home salon dipping journey. The bright and vibrant manicure comes with 2 green shades in a similar hue and an ash glint shimmer. It's shaped like a wave, as if the green leaves gently swing with the wind. No one doubts the dip system is the simplest nail method for those who have just begun their nail trip, or those who have experienced a little bit but shifted from other nail systems. No need for fancy skills or expensive devices. Just dip, activate, and seal. As I always recommended, when it comes to a bright or light color, you must have a minimum of 2 layers of liquid and powder to achieve the desired color and avoid uneven texture on your nail surface. A soft, fluffy brush must be used to remove the excess powder on the nail surface, or the liquid brush will be stained and affect the service life of the dip kit when you repeat the process. Keep in mind to apply both layers as thin and even as you can, so that your nail won't be bulky and unnatural. I'm very glad to share with you a pro-level tip. When creating a wave or curve design with more than one color, you need to dip the light color first and then the dark color, or it will be difficult for light colors to appear on the dark one. Remember to use a liner brush to apply the base coat more controlled and make the contour more natural and delicate. Never forget to use the clear powder to absorb the excess liquid, level and smooth your nail surface, and form a protective layer, especially when you've painted some design, to keep them from being damaged while buffing and filing. The more practice, the more beautiful your nails are and the smoother your trip is. Let's dive in.